I turned this simple cardboard into luxury wall mirror. Start by tracing a circle onto the cardboard. Grab your compass and mark out. Trace a circle on cardboard and cut it. Trace out all the circles out and cut each one out carefully. Cut each circle in half. Paint the edges gold for that luxury look. The gold color instantly elevates the design. Fold each piece to create dimension. Twist and secure the base. One elegant petal is ready. Repeat the process to build up more petals. Now let's prepare the base. Divide the base evenly for placement. Start by tracing the mirror onto the cardboard. Apply hot glue and attach the mirror securely. Wrap jute rope around the edge for texture. Finish the mirror edge with pearl stickers. Now let's prepare the sunburst rays. Slide beads onto the skewers for extra details. Apply hot glue at the center and place the first skewer along the guideline. Starting from the center helps getting everything perfectly aligned. Keep adding skewers evenly to create those beautiful sun rays. A coat of metallic gold instantly elevates the look. Now let's give mirror a clean and elegant border. Start layering the outer circle petals one by one. Now finish the design by filling the center with inner petals. Glue the cardboard circle in the center to create the mirror base. Now place the mirror right in the middle and press firmly. For easy wall mounting, make a simple hanger using cardboard and rope. Glue and fix it securely to the back of the mirror frame. And that's it. Your elegant sunburst mirror is ready to brighten your wall. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.